6 J. Pretty nice sixes actually in the B slot. Just one little thing that kind of happens towards the end. That first one, Marconi was a little close underneath Felipe. You see that? Definitely get your head. This is beautiful. What you're doing here, Marconi, is fantastic. You're getting your head going forward, and just make sure that there's a space to go to, that you're not going underneath Felipe. And Felipe, remember, your head should be going to here. So because you're trying to build a donut over there. I think your head's going a little too straight. You see that? So I like the translation. Translation is awesome. Your center point is going down that line, but make sure your head goes to there. Otherwise you're going to find yourself a little bit over Marconi. And yeah, I really like the dynamic of the back piece actually. It's way better. The front pair, so that's good, Felipe. There's a mixture there. You've got your translation happening, which is real nice. Out to there. And then Manuel, I like your B slot. Looking, this is the time for Manuel and Marconi to be looking at each other through the center, pressing and holding. And that's a really good target right there with you guys staring at each other, just going for that very short finish. Felipe, through the session, you start to rotate very aggressively. Like, this is good. That's a two-stage move. You see that? You go over, hold off here, and then you rotate with Manuel. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Watch some of the later ones. Still good. Now you're starting to rotate a little too soon. So you're actually rotating very quickly off the get-go, you see that? And then you've done a 180 to here, and now you've got just a funky energy between you and Manuel. It just makes it a little harder for him to finish. You know what it's like when he goes too quick on the rotation. So make sure you see it as a two-stage move. Most of them are real good. Last. Again, because we're getting close to the meet, it's really good to see these slots in B slot. We get lots of reps. Once we've seen everything like this, if you want to see them again, please put them with 5 or 17, just to give it a more realistic situation. But yeah, I do agree, we need to see everything in B slot right now, and then in the last couple of weeks, more regular style dives.